A is for astronaut. An astronaut travels beyond the atmosphere to explore the stars and planets. B is for baker. A baker mixes ingredients to prepare bread, cakes, and pastries. C is for chef. A chef manages a professional kitchen and creates menus for dining. D is for doctor. A doctor diagnoses illness and prescribes medicine to help patients recover. E is for engineer. An engineer designs and builds complex structures, machines, and systems. F is for firefighter. A firefighter extinguishes hazardous fires and rescues people from danger.
G is for gardener. A gardener plants, waters, and cares for flowers, trees, and landscapes.
H is for hairstylist. A hairstylist cuts, colors, and shapes hair to change a person's appearance.
I is for illustrator. An illustrator creates drawings and pictures for books, magazines, and screens.
J is for janitor. A janitor cleans and maintains buildings to keep them safe and tidy.
K is for kindergarten teacher. A kindergarten teacher helps young children learn the alphabet, numbers, and how to play together.
L is for librarian. A librarian organizes books and helps people find information. M is for mechanic. A mechanic repairs cars, trucks, and engines to keep them running smoothly.
N is for nurse. A nurse cares for sick or injured people and monitors their health.
O is for office worker. An office worker performs administrative tasks like typing, organizing, and answering calls. P is for police officer. A police officer enforces laws, protects the public, and keeps the community safe. Q is for quality inspector. A quality inspector checks products to make sure they are perfect and safe. R is for reporter. A reporter investigates stories and shares news with the public on TV or radio. S is for scientist. A scientist conducts experiments to learn how the world and universe work.
T is for teacher. A teacher helps students learn new subjects like math, reading, and history.
U is for Uber driver. An Uber driver uses a car to pick up passengers and drive them to their destination. Turn right.
V is for veterinarian. A veterinarian treats sick or injured animals and keeps pets healthy. W is for writer. A writer creates stories, books, and articles using words and imagination.
X is for X-ray technician. An X-ray technician uses special machines to take pictures of the bones inside our bodies.
Y is for yoga instructor.
Z is for zookeeper. A zookeeper feeds and cares for wild animals in a zoo.
A is for astronaut, astronaut flying to the moon. B is for baker, baker stirring with a spoon. C is for chef, chef cooking yummy food. D is for doctor, doctor helping you feel good. E is for engineer, engineer building bridges high. F is for firefighter, firefighter water from the sky. G is for gardener, gardener watch the flowers bloom. H is for hairstylist, hairstylist sweeping up the room. I is for illustrator, illustrator drawing with a pen. J is for janitor, janitor making it shine again. K is for kindergarten, kindergarten playing with our blocks. L is for librarian, little librarian organizing books. M is for mechanic, mechanic fixing up the car. N is for nurse, nurse the kindest one by far. O is for office worker, office worker typing on the keys. Clap your hands, street for dog. is for quality, quality, checking every toy. R is for reporter, reporter, sharing news and joy. S is for scientist, scientist, making potions pop. T is for teacher, teacher, learning never stops. U is for Uber driver, Uber driver, driving down the street. V is for veterinarian, vet, a treat for doggy to eat. W is for writer, writer, stories in my head. X is for X-ray, X-ray, picture of the bones. Y is for yoga, yoga, quiet, peaceful tones. Z is for zookeeper, zookeeper, feeding the giraffe. We learned the jobs from A to Z. Which one do you want to be? Yeah.